It's fine now. No more fever and there. Yes, okay. By God's grace. Christmas is watching his iPad. Kasi ka na, pwede ko na. Bahala ka. Kamakaswildo. You are the beautiful one of the Philippines. I hope so. Agay, my feet is so cramp. Makita na imong panty diha. Buti na yung may panty kaysa wala. But if that's so, I'm so happy if I am beautiful in the Philippines. For your eyes only, I am beautiful. I don't know. Hindi other, hindi. Because love is blind. Every person has different taste. They don't want like me chubby. They like the thin person, thin lady, like ano ba na? Skinny. I'm so happy to see your beautiful angel face again today. Oh, thank you so much for that nice message, you know. Oh, maoba mo daw. No, ganito lang talaga ako mandamit guys kasi hindi ako nasanay na balot. Ganito lang ako pag nasa bahay. Pag nasa labas, ano naman, parang decente naman. Pero pag nasa bahay, I mean, if I'm here inside my house, ganito lang talaga sexy. Pag dito lang sa kwarto, pag lumabas, nakasuot naman tayo ng, sakto. Hindi ganito. Jakarta siyang, and nice movie. Shireen Sakya. Thank you so much. What time is there? I look at the time. 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We don't have it yet for lunch. Later on, after this live, we will eat with my son. Not finish eating lunch because I make diet. But not so. It's a natural. Hey Naomi, Destin Parker. Hey, Madam Dali, kain tayo. Okay, ang layo mo kasi kung dito kakapit bahay pupunta ako. Mamaya kakain kami doon sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Kita niyo yung White House doon. I have my brother na meron siyang pagkain doon na kapakain kami ng anak ko. We will go to lunch at my brother's house. Our lunch is very simple guys. We eat rice, we eat fish, and we eat chicken, veggies. I don't eat more on meat. I eat more on veggies. That's why look at my face, look at my skin. Sometimes only fruits because fruits here are so very expensive except banana, apples and grapes and oranges are too expensive. We eat mostly here banana. Banana. I like your flower costume. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, this is only just for um the okay one. I buy it for only 100 pesos in the market. For just it's just a very affordable. Tawag yun. A very cheaper one. Oh, she always wear good dress. Yes. Because I love dress. Because dress cannot, yes, you notice my tummy. That's not recognized as if I wear dress because it hides. Hide by my dress. It really look good on you. Thank you so much for appreciating my dress. What about me?